Spring is coming. Can you feel it? I think it's in the air. And I think it's time for a change. That's why I have got my hair cut, have or get something done. That is the topic that we're going to be talking about today. My name is Alona. Welcome back to my channel, and you're welcome if you're new here. Stick around if you want to find out how to use this structure correctly. We use the structure have something done or get something done when we talk about some services. For example, I've had my hair cut. I haven't done it myself. Obviously, the hairdresser has done it for me. So we say have my hair cut. So to create this structure, we need subject, I, he, she, it, etc. Then have or get, then the object, and then past participle of the verb. It is verb ed or third column of irregular verbs. You can use have or get something done. Get something done is more informal, and you can use it in any tense. Let's look at the examples. We're having our walls painted tomorrow. Yesterday, he got his car serviced. Now I'm having the kitchen painted. There was a leak in the bathroom, so I got that fixed. I'd never had my washing machine serviced before. I'll get the glass replaced sometime this week. You can use this structure in positive and negative sentence by changing have or get in the proper tense with the help of proper auxiliaries. For example, Tom has his car serviced regularly. Rick doesn't have his car serviced regularly. When do you have your car serviced? Please write in the comment section. Alright, now it's high time to practice with the structure have or get something done. Look at the exercise. Fill in the gaps with the correct form of have or get something done. Take a pause, write your answers in the comment section, then continue watching this video and check it out your answers. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. If you want to find out some other interesting grammar in English, watch my video over here and over there. Don't forget to put like button. I would really appreciate that.